When we were eating for survival, we ate whatever we could lay our hands on. Now that we have choices, we have to choose what's best for the body. All these things are relevant only for those people who are constantly striving how to better their life, how to perform little better, how to open up another dimension of life. The number of cancerous cells in your body will dramatically come down and you will see clearly the sharpness of your intellect will enhance itself. Horse gram is one among the lentils. It is the most protein-rich lentil found on the planet. It's very high-powered. So that's why race horses are fed with this gram, which is called as horse gram today. In the market, it's unfortunately called horse gram, it's called kollu in Tamil. So, this is a very good thing. It's good to sprout it. If you sprout it, you digest it much more easily. You can keep it in a bowl in your room. Get one white cloth, put it in that, soak it in the water for about 6 to 8 hours, then tie it in a cloth and keep it closed. In about 3 days it'll sprout. If it's sprouted, you can just eat it raw. If it's come out about half an inch out of the seed, you can eat it raw. It takes a lot of chewing and eating. You chew it and eat it. It's very good. Now, this will increase heat in the body. Today sun is up, and suppose today you drink kollu or eat kollu and you feel too much heat, then you must balance it by eating green gram. Sprouted green gram will cool the system. So, consuming this horse gram will generate heat in the body. If you find it's causing excessive heat, how do you know excessive heat is? You will notice your eyeballs are hot, or you want to go and pee. You want to pee, it's full but it won't come out, it hurts. That means there is excess heat. Such a thing happens. You just drink some ash gourd juice or eat some green gram or take some castor oil and apply it on either inside the navel or the anahata, the vishuddhi, this place and these two spots behind the ears. If you apply instantly, within 5 minutes, the system will cool down, go to the bathroom, everything will happen without effort. In the yogic culture, we classify foods into 3 categories: positive pranic food, negative pranic food and zero pranic food. Positive prana means it adds a certain pranic energy to the system when you consume. Negative prana takes away energy from the system. Zero neither adds nor takes away, it's eaten for taste and lethargy. So, if you eat positive pranic food, energy will reverberate in a dynamic way. Particularly, some of the things were very positive are the ash god. The ash god is very highly positive. I think these days you're only hanging it in front of your house or breaking at 3 corners of the road and giving it to the buffalo, but you are not eating it. No, this is to be eaten. Because the vegetable has such high pranic energy, you put it in front of your home so that there is nice energy. But if there is so much energy to it, isn't it good to put it into you? There are many experiments on this. If you consume a glass of ash gourd juice every day, the number of cancerous cells in your body will dramatically come down and you will see clearly the sharpness of your intellect will enhance itself. Especially children must drink ash gourd juice. Daily consumption of ash gourd, you will see distinctly your mind seems to be clearer and sharper. This will be noticeable within a few weeks of consumption of ash gourd. You will see, morning you drink coffee, it gives you energy with agitation. You drink a glass of ash gourd juice, it gives you enormous amount of energy. At the same time, it keeps you very calm. One should consume it as much as you can. But those of you who are asthmatic, who are susceptible to colds and coughs, such people, if you consume ash gourd juice, you may immediately have colds because it cools the system. So if such a problem is there, such people should always add a little bit of honey or pepper
to ash god juice and consume it. This will neutralize the cooling effect of the ash god to some extent.
All these things are relevant only for those people who are constantly striving how to better their life, how to perform little better, how to open up another dimension of life. If these concerns are there, then what kind of food or fuel you put into this machine is very, very important.